and push these sides.
Okay. You think this, oh, you have the same pencils I do. I wonder if, I bet these things will work.
I haven't seen these sides.
Well, the tip of those breaks off very easily. I've done it before, trying to use them.
I mean,
Oh, really?
Like this, yeah.
There you go.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Alright, so we have our,
Where was this?
the shaft just chilling in there?
Yeah.
Oh, that was going through here, okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
You just put them here.
And that is a, like, combo spring and geared shaft?
Yeah, it was in, wait a minute, no. Oh,
It must have been,
yeah.
maybe on the other side of that washer there? Or the...
This side. Because it was, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Here. So you see that?
Yep. That makes sense.
So now, let's take this out. And push this. It's all together, so this is...
The other little...
Yeah, this little part left, we can't take it. I don't think you can take it out. So.
Okay.
Maybe you can.
Might be able to. We'll work on that later.
Yeah, we'll just have that all as one part.
Like this one, so just keep the one part of that now. This one comes off.
Yep.
And this is one piece. So basically this is, yeah, so this one's here first. I'll go on top.
Seems pretty legit.